I just bought this mini bike for $100. It's needs a little work. Can we get it up and running? Let's find out. This is a Coleman mini bike of some sort. I don't know if that's a 212 or 196, but it does have full suspension, so that's nice. Cool headlight, and if you look in here, you can tell that the tank is a bit rusty. Not too bad though, so we should be able to clean it up, clean up the car, put some gas in it, and see about chain tension, and we'll go from there. The tank off, and it's not that bad. I mean, it does have some rust. I don't know if you see that. So I'm gonna clean that out, maybe put some vinegar. I don't really know. All right, got everything off. Engine does look good, and it does have some good compression. Took out the spark plug. It doesn't look too bad. We're gonna clean it up, and we'll reuse this, and then we'll clean up that carb. Carb's all cleaned up. It wasn't really that dirty, but the main bowl had some dirt in it, but this bowl had a lot in it. This is your fuel cutoff, so it'll send it through here, from here it sends it to there. But it's all cleaned up. The jet inside is cleaned up. We're gonna slap it back on. All right, throttle on, gas on, or choke on, gas on.